Want to download and log into Tubi TV? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily download and then log in. First thing first, move into App Store on a device. In the address bar, search for Tubi TV. Move into this app right here. If you haven't installed the application, then simply click on Get or Install and wait for a while for the process to complete. Once installed, you will see the option of Open. Tap on Open. It will land you on this home page. Now, in order for you to log in into your account, simply click on Sign In. Now, in order for you to log in into your account, simply enter your email address and then the password. In case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on Reset It here. Follow the on-screen process and then log in into your specific account. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.